Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow someone on Poshmark. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in poshmark.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Poshmark website, where if you haven't logged into your account, click on the login button at the top section and then log in using your credentials. After you have logged in, you will be taken into your homepage where you can see various offerings to buy as well as users that have posted their listings. Now, right on your homepage, you will be able to see various posts from users that you have followed. If you wish to unfollow any user, you can simply click on their name and this will take you into their profile. If you don't see the user that you want to unfollow, make sure you click on the drop-down menu alongside the search box and select people. Then simply type in their username and click on the search box to find their profile. Once you click on their username and end up within their profile, you will see that you have been following this user within their profile page. Simply click on the drop-down menu alongside the following feature and you will find the option to unfollow this user. Go ahead and click on unfollow, and now you will once again see the follow button within this user's page. This means that you have now unfollowed this user. You can repeat this with any user that you want to unfollow by simply going into their profile, clicking on the drop-down menu and clicking on unfollow. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unfollow someone on Poshmark. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.